Welcome back to Rajeshwari Deals. Today, we are diving into an exciting unboxing and in-depth review of the Libra 8-liter digital air fryer. With 1740 watts of power and a versatile 9-in-1 functionality, this air fryer promises to change the way you cook. Let's unbox this powerhouse and see if it lives up to the hype. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need for a complete cooking experience, including a durable and sturdy basket designed to handle high temperatures, a sleek feather touch LED display that combines both functionality and aesthetic appeal, and an overall premium build that not only looks impressive right out of the box but also feels robust and thoughtfully constructed, making it clear that this air fryer was crafted with quality in mind. Yet, despite all these promising first impressions, the real question remains: how does it perform when put to the test? The Libra air fryer, designed to revolutionize your kitchen experience with its powerful 1740-watt motor, boasts not only exceptional cooking capacity and efficiency but also an impressive array of 9 versatile functions that cater to nearly every culinary need imaginable, including air frying for crispy, healthier options, toasting for quick and easy breakfasts, grilling for perfectly seared meats and veggies, baking for delicious desserts and savory dishes, reheating to bring leftovers back to life with their original flavor and texture, and even a keep warm mode to ensure that your food remains at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy it, all of which combine to provide outstanding value for money, especially at an affordable price of just $6,499, which makes this air fryer a truly valuable addition to any home kitchen, providing functionality and convenience in one sleek, user-friendly device, and, of course, for anyone interested in learning more or purchasing this multifunctional appliance, you can easily find the link in the description below. Let's test out some functions. First up, air frying some fries. We'll also try the grill function to see how it handles chicken wings. The fryer promises fast and even cooking, so let's put it to the test. Here are the pros and cons. It's versatile, powerful, and spacious, but a bit bulky and slightly pricey. At $6,499, this Libra air fryer provides quality, versatility, and ease of use. For those looking for a multifunctional kitchen gadget, this one definitely delivers. If you're interested in upgrading your cooking game, check the link in the description to buy yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unboxings and product reviews on Rajeshwari Deals.